Absolutely. 2 days of phenomenal education, both with personal development and with the highest quality of education you really are going to find in the foreign exchange industry, I would say. You know, looking at what we've seen out there and what people put out there, we've seen a lot of things, and you guys have been with me from the beginning of the academy. Truly, you guys know the growth of where we are today is honestly very humbling from where we started. We started off with really humble grounds. I remember it was like me, Jody, Aaliyah, Gerardo, and we were like, where are we going? And we took the leap of faith and we got this thing going. But you know what, today, you guys, we have a huge academy. It's been phenomenal growth. I've seen so many students, you guys, coming up and thanking us for the opportunity to come learn about the education, but more importantly, the impact it's made for them financially. I mean, how many people agree when you start making money on your phone without having to talk to anybody, it's pretty cool, yes? Yeah. And this is just the beginning in a big way, you guys, for us. We're going to be taking this thing not only where we've taken it to now, but across Canada in a bigger way. And I think we were talking about, you know, doing events like we did this weekend, what we've been putting on here locally for us here in Vancouver, all across the city this year. So in 2020, it's going to be a really big year as far as growth and what we're doing. But that being said, you guys, I just wanted to come up and really, guys, give you guys an opportunity to come ask Justin that Q&A, because we didn't have the opportunity to do that today when we were in the session. So for those of you guys that have any questions, does anybody have any questions for Justin? Just a show of hands if you have any questions. If not, we're just going to let the guy eat butter chicken, all right? Yeah. Okay, so I see a couple guys have some questions. So with that being said, what we'll do is we'll have you come up here, ask the question, and then Jess, I'll have you come up here and use the mic as well so that everybody can hear it. And I'm sure some of you guys' questions are going to help answer other people's questions, okay? I'm going to say this openly up front. There is no dumb or wrong question. I would actually prefer you guys to ask any question that comes to mind, okay? Truthfully, here's what I would think that's going to happen. A lot of you guys are all thinking the same question. Make sense? But one of you guys are just afraid of asking it. That's really what it is. You don't want to look, you know, like you don't understand what we're doing. You guys, we understand where you're from. We're here to do it. And really this whole family is set up to make sure you get that knowledge, because what we're doing here can be one answer that can be a breakthrough when it comes to trading the foreign exchange market, you guys. And it can be something very, very simple. So with that being said, who'd like to go first for the questions here for Justin? Anybody? All right, Sar?